Hello everybody. In this video, we will learn to use the count formula in Excel. The count formula allows you to find the number of cells which are containing numbers. Like for example, in this data, we see that this cell is containing numbers, this cell is containing numbers, so are these, this one and this one. So the count of the cells containing numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is reflecting here. Now, in case I enter a number over here, the count immediately increases to 7. All right. So how do we apply the count formula? That is what I'm going to explain now. So we need to type in is equal to count, and it says counts the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. Now we will open the bracket and we can select this range and close the bracket, and it will give us the answer 6. So that is one way of counting the numbers of cells containing numbers. See what would happen. This cell, though we selected the complete range, this cell was containing symbols, this was containing nothing, and this was containing alphabets. So it omitted all these and only gave the count of cells containing numbers. Now we can use the count formula in multiple ways. So wherein we can actually select one cell at a time like this. This is one way of going about it. Like this, and close the bracket. So again you get the answer 6. You can use the count formula wherein you are using two ranges. This is one range where we have used the first 3 and the last 3. So we have now multiple ranges over here. So the count of numbers in this range and this range is totaling to 4. All right. So this is how you use the count formula in Excel. See you in the next video.